Hi, my name's Kelly Chambers. I'm going to take you through some skills that you can use within your ePortfolio or the wiki that will help you to organise your content. As you can see, I'm in the wiki at the moment. I'm going to go over to my page over this side and click on my page, and you can see that I've answered. I have the week one, the question and the answers here. I'm going to do a couple of things to make this layout look a lot more easier to read, and in some way do some presentation to it. Okay, so first of all I need to go to edit, and what I'm going to do is create a table that's going to contain my content and help me to manage and do certain things with that content. So I'm going to leave it at 2 columns. I'm going to give it 13 rows. I'm going to put the cell padding and the cell spacing at 2. I'm going to leave the alignment alone at the moment. I'm not going to do anything there. The border I'm going to leave at 0, and the width I'm going to constrain to 800 pixels. That's a good width for things like laptop computers and some of the tablets that may be used. I'm going to insert. You can see there's the table and the table cells at the moment. We're still in edit mode, so the borders that won't show eventually but are laid out here in the edit mode are visible. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to drag my content into the cell where I think it would work best. I'm going to drag the question into the cell underneath the week 1. You can see the cursor change when it's ready to let go, and you can drop your content into there. And then the answer, I think what I'd like to do with the answers here is I'm just going to drag right across there. So I collect all the answer, highlight all the answer, and I'm going to put it into the other side opposite the question. I'm going to just drop it into that cell in there. There we go. Okay, I've dragged all the content now into the certain cells that I would like the content to be in. So there's a week 2, there's the question on one side and the answer on another. Excuse me. I can use the formatting tools up here to perhaps make week 1 bold. I think maybe highlight that that's the answer. I'm going to do the same for each week to keep it consistent. I think that does help the presentation if there is a consistency. Okay, I've highlighted and made bold the weeks and the answers for each one, and I've also italicized the question. I'm going to now save and exit, and as you can see, this is how it's set out at the moment. There's a couple of other things I'm going to do. I'm going to click on edit, and I'm going to put a title up the top here, but before I do that I'd like to make the title right across the full width of my table. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to go down to cell, and it says merge table cell. So if I click on merge table cell, that's now made the 2 cells, like the 2 columns that it was split into, 1. Okay, and I'm going to put reflection questions task 1. I'm going to highlight the reflection questions task 1. I'm going to change the format to a heading of 2. I'm also going to put it into the center. And the last thing I'm going to do is I think I'd like to do some formatting to the table cell here, and this is the pop-up box for table cell properties. If I go to advanced, I'd like to choose a black background color, and my background color is going to be somewhere around here, and apply and update. And there's the start of my background color. That will look like this. Please see part 2 for more information. Thank you.